So, I've tried like 4 or 5 times to try and film this video. It's not really working.
It's totally fine.
So I have these crystals. Hi, they're beautiful. I'll show you some close-ups. This is selenite, so beautiful. I have a bigger selenite, but this is like my little tumbled cute version. And then this is my amethyst. Hopefully you can see that. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Let's go, bitch.
This is my really rough, like, amethyst. Love this amethyst. Don't mind my nails.
It's fine.
This is another crystal. I think it's aquamarine, but don't fucking quote me. Oh, I love this. This is honey calcite. Ow, now my hands hurt. Can we zoom back on me? Hi, thank you. So hopefully the lighting isn't trash. Could be, sorry. But I thought we'd film a get ready with me. Anyway, so the crystal video didn't work out because I couldn't find any of my like wiring. I found my pliers, but I couldn't find any of the wiring that I would need in order to do it. And so I was like,
Okay.
I'm not upset about that.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop you fucking lying.
I'll just do something else. And then I thought, okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do like an outfit video, and then I went into my closet and then I was like, ha! 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 You know what we're not gonna do? Film an outfit video. And so I was like, fine, I'm gonna film a get ready with me. It's totally fine.
Everything's fine.
That was spicy ketchup that I was licking off of me. I just wasn't licking my finger for no reason. I'm not like weird. Okay, that's fine. My cat is once again trying to kill her tail. Anastasia, it's your tail. Baby, it's your tail. It's not trying to kill you. It is your tail. It's not. If you're new here, hi, I'm Pamela. Welcome back to another day of my life that I'm filming just for you. Anyway, I already have my like foundation on because I was like bored, and so I put on foundation, but not really. I just put on concealer.
I don't even wear concealer. Guys, I don't even wear foundation. I don't wear anything on my face. I just wear sunscreen. I'm just like naturally perfect.
So yeah, also I've got my hair wrapped up because I have my hair wrapped up. And first of all, can you just stop asking me so many questions? Oh, also, if you're wondering, if you hear noise, I have a fan on and my window's open because it is Texas and it's hot. I guess I'll do my brows first. I use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. As we're talking about beauty products, do we want to sip on some of the tea that's been in the beauty community? Am I right, ladies? It's been steaming. As you guys know, I did do a James Charles video. I've mentioned James Charles a lot because I like James Charles. I just do. And I even bought, you know, the sister apparel, and I took an Instagram photo the other day that I'm going to post where I'm wearing the sister's apparel shirt because it's too cute of a photo for me to not post. But with all this new information that's been brought to the forefront, like a deep-seated pimple inside of your skin, you know, that's finally coming to the surface so that you can just get in there and just pop that shit like that. We are slowly uncovering the reality of who really Mr. James Charles is. And I don't know how I feel, to be honest, you guys. I don't know how I feel. Part of me is like, oh, this is just like tea. Like, you know, I love the drama. And then the other part of me is like, I don't know if I'm down with the way that people are like really digging into him. The amount of mean, horrible comments people have been leaving on his stuff is just mesmerizing to me, how quickly people will turn on you. Anyway, what I do is take a little bit of the product on the back of this thing and then take this is like a Milani brush that came in one of the little eyeshadow palettes, and I just do it like that. I know it's weird, but I don't care. All I really have to add on the whole situation is, I mean, damn. I don't know if I like the trend of like the canceling on social media. I definitely love the drama and the tea angle. I won't even lie. I don't like the trend of like bullying. All of the horrible mean comments that are left on all of their social media. It's considered to be like, oh, we're canceling you, so we're allowed to say all these really crappy things about you to you. But if you really want to cancel someone, you just delete them from your life. You literally just delete them, and then that's it. You don't go out of your way to find them and leave awful, horrible comments on their pages, because I just feel like that, what are you really doing other than bullying them? And as someone who has been bullied, it's just weird. I don't really like it. I get it. James to a lot of people isn't a great person, but I mean, that's all I have to say about that. I'm gonna go in and kind of I got a job. I think I told you guys that. I got a job. That was a great moment in my career. And then I got a promotion like a month later. Yeah, I got a promotion a month later, which is so funny, but great, because now I can actually pay my bills. No, honestly, I'm so grateful. A lot of things have been changing behind the scenes for me, and I have a lot of things that I have decided that I have not like let anyone in on, so it's gonna be really interesting to see. I'm being so like shady, but I can't tell you guys yet because I haven't told other people yet, and I have to wait. But I'm gonna tell you guys something pretty soon that's you're gonna be like, woo! That made so much sense. But yeah, what I'm saying, I don't even know what I'm saying. The lighting literally just went away and I can't see anything anymore. This color right here. I'm gonna go and get some extra lighting. I haven't said or done anything interesting in this entire video. Is this video even interesting? I don't know, man. Oh, I'm not even gonna post it. What are you gonna do? Did you guys like the song that I made? I'm fucking crazy. It was kind of difficult to post because I've never actually shared my music with anyone before. I don't know. I still can't watch that video. I edited it, and as soon as I don't even know if it's edited correctly, because as soon as I finished, I just posted it and I was like, I'm not watching it. But I hope you guys liked it. I hope it was okay, and I hope you guys want more, because now that I've done it, I'm like, I want to do more. I have some ideas for song videos that I would love to post, because I have a lot of songs. I've been writing music since I was like 11 years old, so I have a lot of songs. A lot of them are crap. Some of them are not, some of them aren't. No one said like anything negative about it, which is great. I was like a little nervous about sharing my music because it is something that it's not like, okay, music to me, it's therapy. I feel like I haven't been shy about talking about my mental health and just the stuff that I go through. You know, I don't share everything, but I feel like I'm open as I can be. Music is one of the ways that I have naturally, since I have been experiencing trauma since my childhood. That is the way I deal with it. Escaping through a world that I create in my songs or in books and writing, whatever, you know? That's just how I deal. I don't know. It's really private. It's really personal. You know, like the songs I write aren't meant to be necessarily listened to by other people because they're just written so that I can like heal. Sometimes I just get weird urges to write songs. I get weird urges to just like, I get like this itchy feeling. It honestly feels like I have to poop. Honestly, that sounds weird. If you didn't notice by the video, I am not a producer nor a composer. I cannot make music. I don't play any instruments. I have my voice and my pen. I might play around with GarageBand and see what I can do just for funsies. I'm so embarrassing. I need a minute. Love this sauce, by the way. Sriracha is so good. Finals are over. I have a job. there is an Ariana Grande concert coming to Dallas, and I already bought my ticket. Like, I pre-ordered my ticket. I'm ignoring all of my phone calls right now because today is Mother's Day and my mother is dead. So that means everyone I know is currently calling me, and I get it. You know, I want to help them so that they can feel better, but I absolutely have no desire to even go there. So I'm ignoring those phone calls. I don't have parents. It's not something I really want to think about or talk about. So what I'm doing instead, doing my makeup while filming a video, because this is how I'm going to distract myself right now. I don't really know what I'm doing with my eyes right now. I really don't. If you're like trying to follow this as a tutorial, honey, good luck to ya. I probably sound like a crazy person. The way that I talk about things, I know I do. If you don't know this about me, I'm someone who, like, I feel things to an extent that is just not fair. I feel my own feelings so strong. I feel other people's feelings too sometimes. Like, I can be around someone and I'll know what they're feeling. So one of the ways that I have to, like, protect myself, or at least one of the things that I just do to protect myself, is just shut down emotionally. I just turn it off. You know, don't you just want to run away from your problems and hide away and put on makeup instead? Don't you ever want to just do that? Okay, I'm adding this. This is by, I don't know, this is some brand. This is something Tati recommended. Vanessa's Vanity in the color Expensive Taste. I feel like that's fine. I'm gonna contour a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. I changed my mind. I don't want to contour anymore. I literally hate this eye makeup now. I liked it and then I didn't. And so now I'm blending that out. This is a disaster.
This is what you get, kids, when you try to avoid your emotions. You get yourself trapped in little situations like this, where the universe is basically just like effing you so hard and saying no.
You don't get to say screw your emotions. You gotta feel things. And I'm just like,
I don't want to.
but they're just like, you fucking have to. You stupid whore.
I'm absolutely done.
I'm absolutely done.
I'm absolutely done. No, stop. All right, I'm back.
Can you tell us about your flapjack place?
Started making it, had a breakdown. Bon appetit.
I totally just had a bit of a...
At a moment.
This is how dramatic I am, you guys. This is literally how dramatic I am on the daily, where I'm just like, I'm done. I'm over it. Goodbye. It's like so funny, but it's actually super not funny because this is what I have to work through in therapy. Anyway, I restarted my makeup look because
I hate it.
we're gonna just keep going because I've already gotten so far. Let's do maybe some blush or something. That'll make me happy. I love all things Glossier. I don't have my beauty blender in front of me, so obviously I'm just gonna get up, go to the bathroom that is right there, and get it. I wrote a song on Sunday that I'm obsessed with. I keep singing it. Like, I can't get the melody out of my head. It's called Secret Society, and it's about being in a secret society that you don't want to be a part of. And you'll know more in the future when I make this video. Anyway, thank you for coming to avoid my feelings with me. This is the finished look, you guys. Nothing's working, and nothing's working. So that's totally fine. Totally cool. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Please hit that like button and let me know that you want more videos where I basically avoid problems. So if you want that, if you want to subscribe, then you should subscribe to the channel down below hit the red button, and turn on my post notifications, because I don't actually know what I'm gonna post next, but it will be, I post at least once a week. So if you have my post notes on, then you don't need to know what I'm gonna post, because you'll just know. You'll be notified. See what I did there? Follow me on social media, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter if you want. I post pictures on Instagram, and I post words on Twitter. Oh my god, dude. I need to drink some more hot sauce. Subscribe! It's been solid. Bye, guys.